Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Raudhah from AS201. So today, I'm going to talk about one of the community ecologies called cannibalism. We usually heard this to refer that a species eating the same species, like in the movie called Cannibal Holocaust, one of the famous movies that contains cannibalism. The movie explaining to us about a professor stumbled across a lost film shot by a missing documentary crew whose goal was to study the region's indigenous cannibalistic tribes. So one of the main source food for the tribe is of human flesh. But we are not going to talk about that here. We are talking about cannibalism in animal kingdom. Yes, you heard that. Animals do also do this weird interaction. So what is cannibalism? Cannibalism, or intraspecific predators, is killing or consuming of either all or part of the individual that is from the same species. Well, that is the real meaning behind of it. The keyword here is eating the same species. Plus, this type of interaction is a common ecological interaction in the animal kingdom and has been recorded in more than 1,500 species. Now, let us jump to some of the interesting facts about cannibalism. So, did you know that 50% of this cannibal species is herbivorous? Cannibalism is not only restricted for carnivores, but also occurs in herbivores and in detritivores. Plus, most of the cannibals appropriate to encounter shortage of protein. For example, snail. Several snails, including Pomecia burgessii and other common aquarium snails, will feed on the remains of dead conspecifics, and sibling cannibalism has been observed among hatchlings. There's a lot of types of cannibalism, such as sexual cannibalism, where normally involves the consumption of the male by the female individual before, during, or after copulation. Other forms of cannibalism include size structure cannibalism and intraterrine cannibalism. Next, in cannibalism, who will mostly involve in this situation? Well, to be clear here, not all individuals in a population become cannibals, but the usual potential individual that most likely to be cannibal are like older and larger individuals. And in some species or organisms, the young may cannibalize or consume older or bigger individuals. But the main question is how cannibalism got triggered in the population. There's a lot of trigger factors that can cause this interaction. For marine and aquatic habitats, the cannibalistic interaction occurs because mostly the cannibal species are predaceous, such as shark. For the situation example, sand tiger shark pregnancy may begin with 6 or 7 embryos in the womb, but often only 1 or 2 will make it to the birth. The first embryonic shark to break out of its egg capsule feeds on its younger siblings and any unfertilized eggs in the womb. Researchers think this is intrauterine cannibalism allows baby sharks to grow large enough, about 3 feet, that once they are born, they are safer from being eaten by predators. It essentially gives the shark a head start in life. For land animals, cannibalism can be triggered by 3 factors. Firstly, cannibalism is found in stressed populations like rabbit, sea lions, and hippo. Second, cannibalism can occur when they are facing starvation or hunger like tiger and lion. And lastly, cannibalism also happens when the population are crowded or dense even when the food is available like hippo. Why does cannibalism occur? Now, in the context of the question why, meaning what is the purpose of this interaction between the population, cannibalism regulates population numbers, whereby resources such as food, shelter, and territory become more readily available with the decrease of potential competition. Example like larger crocs prey on the juveniles, which keeps their number stable and their other food sources and resources from becoming scarce. The rate of cannibalism increases in nutritionally poor environments as individuals turn to conspecifics as an additional food source. How long cannibalism works? Is cannibalism can lead to some extinction for the species? Well, basically no, because the interaction is in a short term, and this interaction only occurred when they triggered the trigger factors that I have explained before, so no chance of extinction of the species. Now, we heard that cannibalism sounds natural to us because it is a natural interaction in animal kingdom. It also has its own advantage, like cannibalism promotes selective fitness advantage and increased longevity. Plus, it eliminates potential intraspecific competitions and provides a meal. Well, doesn't seem so bad, right? Now, I'm going to show a video that contains cannibalism. We have reached the end of the video. I hope this video can give you some of the information and clear some of the misunderstanding about cannibalism interaction.